Hi, welcome to the Creative Beavers. Today we will make very cute penguins keychain. I like to make them in their original color, black and white. You can use any color you like. We will start from belly. Take the white yarn, make a magic ring, chain 3, double crochet in the magic ring. In the first round, we will make total 12 double crochet in the magic ring. Pull the magic ring tight and slip stitch to end up the round. Round 2, we will make total 12 increases, 3 chain and double crochet in the same stitch. 2 DC in the next stitch. In this round, we will make 2 double crochet in the same stitch and a slip stitch to end up the round. Cut the yarn. For face, take the white yarn, make a magic ring, 3 chains and 12 double crochet in the magic ring. Slip stitch to end up the round and pull the magic ring tight. Now attach the big belly circle with the face circle and make the 4 stitches. One, two, three, and 4. Cut the yarn. At this point, I will attach the beak and the eyes. For beak, take a yellow color or orange. Make a magic ring, 3 chains and a DC in the magic ring. Pull the magic ring tight and cut off the yarn. Attach the beak with the face circle. For eyes, take the black pearls and attach on the face. For round 3, take the black yarn and start from the neck. Chain 3, DC in the same stitch. We will follow the pattern 2 DC and 1 increase. 1 DC, 1 DC and the 2 DC in the next stitch. 1 DC, 1, 2 in the same. Complete the round 3. round 3, back part in black color following the same pattern. We will attach the both parts with single crochet. Now stuff the penguins with fiber. Make single crochet to complete your work. Slip stitch and cut off the yarn. Score the yarn with the needle. Now it's time to make penguin feet. We will make 3 chains and 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Single crochet in the same stitch and 1 more single crochet in the next stitch. Pull the yarn and cut. Skip 2 stitches, single crochet, then single crochet in the next stitch, pull the yarn and 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Three chains and complete your work with the slip stitch. Secure all the yarn with needles. Now it's time to make a head bow for the penguin. You can take any color of your choice. Make a magic ring, 3 chains and 3 DC in the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. 3 chain, attach with the slip stitch. Chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. 3 chains, attach with the slip stitch. Pull the yarn, the beautiful bow is ready. Attach it on the penguin head with the glue gun. Attach the keychain. Cute penguins keychains are ready. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.